Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden furniture. Wooden furniture is a beloved choice for interior design, and the right measurements are key to ensuring that each piece complements the space and serves its purpose effectively. Whether you're furnishing a small apartment or a spacious home, wooden furniture comes in various dimensions to suit your needs. Here, we explore a range of wooden furniture ideas with specific measurements to guide your choices. Number 1. Dining table. A wooden dining table is a focal point in any dining room. The standard dimensions for a rectangular dining table that comfortably seats 6 to 8 people are approximately 72 inches in length and 36 inches in width. If you have a smaller space, consider a 48-inch round dining table, which can seat 4 to 6 people comfortably. Number 2. Coffee table. The size of your wooden coffee table should complement your seating arrangement. A typical coffee table measures around 48 inches in length by 24 inches in width, providing ample surface space for drinks, books, and decor. However, for smaller living rooms, you can opt for a more compact option, measuring 36 inches by 18 inches. Number 3. Bookshelves. Wooden bookshelves offer both storage and style. A standard bookshelf typically stands at 72 inches in height and measures 24 inches in width. However, you can find taller bookshelves for larger collections or narrow ones for more compact space. Number 4. Bed frame. A wooden bed frame is a centerpiece of the bedroom. A queen-size bed frame measures approximately 60 inches in width and 80 inches in length. If you prefer more room, a king-size bed frame is larger, typically measuring about 76 inches by 80 inches. Ensure that your bed frame's dimensions fit comfortably within your bedroom space, allowing room for other essential furniture. Number 5. Nightstands. Wooden nightstands are essential bedroom companions. A typical nightstand measures around 24 inches in width by 18 inches in depth, providing enough space for a lamp, book, or nighttime essentials. The height of your nightstand should align with your bed's height for easy access. Number 6. Wardrobe. A wooden wardrobe is both a storage solution and a design element in the bedroom. A standard wardrobe is typically 72 inches in height and 36 inches in width. However, larger wardrobes are available for those with extensive clothing collections or more spacious bedrooms. Number 7. Desk. Wooden desks are crucial for home offices or study areas. The size of your desk should accommodate your work needs and fit the available space. A standard desk typically measures around 48 inches in width and 24 inches in depth. However, if you require more workspace, consider larger desks with dimensions of 60 inches in width by 30 inches in depth or more. Wooden furniture comes in various sizes to suit different spaces and functions. It is essential to choose the right measurements to create a harmonious and functional living environment. Whether you prefer traditional, modern, or rustic styles, there is a wooden furniture piece with the perfect dimensions to meet your needs and reflect your personal taste. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.